Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini 2.0 version for image recognition and analysis. So I will be just on my Google AI Studio and make sure you will just officially logged in, and I will just tell you step by step the process of recognition, image and analysis. You will just tab on the left, you will see the options is starter apps. I will just tab on it, and from here is explore Gemini capabilities. Try these starter apps to interact hands-on with the capabilities of Gemini. Clone them on GitHub to kickstart your next project. So what gonna do? If you have image, you will just tab on this the first one, which is upload a photo and combine 2D, 3D, and spatial analysis with reasoning. Ask Gemini to give you the locations, object, text, and more. So I will just tab on it. Now what gonna do, you will just upload an image from your PC. So I will be just an example this image which is called a horse. I will just upload it on it, and if I want to know about some major points, I will just tab on this point option, and I will just tab to this send, and let's see how it's analysis and recognition of this image. So here it's working. You will see it will show me is the you will see there is a ear, nose, neck, and main shoulder, leg, eye, forehead, leg, grass. So this is you can call to recognize and any image to use Gemini 2.0 version. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos. Thank you.